So now we understand by the help of NOR gate we are implement NOT gate, by the help of NOR gate OR gate, by the help of NOR gate AND gate, by the help of NOR gate NAND gate. See here, by the help of NOR to NOT it's very easy. You just short inputs, so it convert NOR to NOT, NOR to OR, NOR to OR. See, if we have NOR and we are implementing one NOT, so it will be OR. Or if we have one OR, we implement one NOT, so it will be NOR. So it is very simple to convert NOR gate to OR gate. So see here, NOR to AND is a difficult task, but not that much difficult task. You just convert your plus sign into multiplication sign. And if you got AND gate, so you want to implement NAND gate. So again, that AND gate, you have implement one NOT gate, so it will become a NAND gate. In this way you have to convert. See the first example step by step. We want y is equal to a bar, but we have NOR gate. NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b bar. Again we are right, b is equal to a. So equation become a y is equal to a plus a bar. It equal to a bar. So by the help of NOR gate we are get NOT gate. It's a way simply you have to convert your NOR gate into NOT gate. The next one is by the help of NOR gate you have to convert OR gate. So see here, y is equal to a plus b. It is a OR gate. We have NOR gate. NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b bar. Add one NOT. Add one NOT, it means y is equal to a plus b double bar. This first bar as it is, then add one more bar. So it will become a plus b double bar. So we are just write as a plus b, because we know if we have a double bar is equal to a, or b double bar is equal to b, or if we have a plus b double bar, so it will be a plus b we have to write. So in this way we are convert our NOR gate into OR gate simply. So first two tasks is very simple, but see here the next one is y is equal to a into b. We want AND gate by the help of NOR gate. So NOR gate is y is equal to a plus b bar. See here you have to implement one a bar plus one b bar and whole NOR. Whole NOR means one a naught, one b naught, or in between these two gate there is one NOR gate. So equation become a double bar into b double bar. Why this into here come? We just break this bar. So this bar we are breaking this bar. So this plus convert into. So this plus sign convert into multiplication sign. So it become a double bar into b double bar, or we have to write a into a double bar into b double bar as a into b bar. So we are got here our AND gate. So by the help of this NOR gate we are convert into AND gate. So in this way you have to understand how to we convert our NOR gate into AND gate. And the next one is, see here, whatever you got from this conversion of NOR gate into AND gate, you have to get AND gate. So just implement one NOT gate in front of this AND gate, so it become a NAND gate. So see here, are you visible? Yes, you are visible. So y is equal to a into b bar. It is our NAND gate. And y is equal to a plus b is our NOR gate. So we are right as a bar plus b bar whole bar is equal to a double bar into b double bar as a into b bar. So add one NOT. So equation is a into b. We are adding one NOT gate, so it will be a into b. So it is a NAND. So we are convert our NOR gate into NAND gate. So in this way you have to consider or understand this conversion. So we are now converting this expression into one form to another form. See here the graphical representation of this all gates. See here first, this is the NOR gate. So we are sorting both input as a. So input a, y is equal to a bar. So as we understand how to we convert this our NOR gate into NOT gate. The next one is, this is our NOR gate. This is the NOR gate. We are implement one NOT gate in front of this. So NOR, again one NOT, it will be OR. It will be OR gate. See, one NOR gate, we are in front of implement one NOT gate, so it will be again OR gate. So it will be coming as a OR gate. See the next one here, A bar, then B bar. This is A bar, this is the B bar. Sorry, here B bar. So A bar, B bar joining by the help of NOR gate. So it will be A bar plus B bar whole bar. We are write as a double bar into B double bar. We are write as a into B. So we are converting our NOR gate into AND gate. Whatever we are getting at output, just implement one again NOT gate. So it will be just like this. See here, the difference between these two diagrams is that the at this stage the diagrams are same. We are just putting one NOT gate. After we are connecting one NOT gate, this OR gate, the output of this OR gate, it will be as a NOR gate. So see here. Yes, you have to see. So see here, these by the help of NOR gate we are converting into AND gate. This is the by the help of NOR gate we are converting into XOR gate. Sorry, NAND gate. So it is a this is the AND gate. So AND gate we are getting AND gate, and in front of this AND gate we are implementing one NOT gate. So it will become a NAND gate. So in this way you have to convert this your NAND gate into another gate, maybe NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Thank you.